Guys, what, I smell a disaster. I'm gonna cut all my shirts, my husband's shirts. I'm cutting them. Just like that. TikTok, Bangadi, TikTok. Hey Slayers, I hope you guys are fabulous. My name is Tumi and this is Young, Broke and Fabulous. If it's your first time here, you are not a Slayer. To become a Slayer, all you need to do is click subscribe, hit the notification bell and the all option so you don't miss a notification every time I post a new video. And if you're a returning Slayer, a regular, thank you so much, babe. I appreciate you. So today I'm going to be doing TikTok hacks for tops, like creating nice trendy summer tops from clothes in your wardrobe. Like am I a plug or am I a plug? I'm such a dodo, ne? I knew I was gonna use this shirt, but I still put it in the machine. Why? I don't know. And I was spinning. Our spinner still doesn't work. So this is a hack by me. I've been using this since varsity because I'm such a lazy person. I've never liked ironing. I really don't like it. So what I used to do is like blow dry my clothes. And if my clothes are not fully dry and I wanted to wear them at that time, I'll blow dry it. So I'm gonna just kind of blow dry this thing so that it's a bit dry before it sits on my skin. It's not wet, but it's cold today.
Inches from the bottom hem, and then you're going to cut that straight across. And now what you're going to want to do is just cut along this seam. And you have this, and you're just going to cut that. Take the shirt and wrap it around your back, and then put this through here. And then put this one up through the side. And pull them together. Cross them and tie. So cute! I'm obsessed!
Still a bit wet, I won't lie. It has some wet spots, but it's not all wet. I'm going to continue with the dryer after I've cut it. So this is the big top, like how she showed. Nope, I'm good with scissors, guys. I've been cutting my clothes. Like it's my thing to cut my clothes. So what I'm gonna do, instead of like drawing a line, I'm gonna fold it. So I think I have two tops now. Okay. Then What? No ways, guys. What? Can you? Oh my word! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Guys, what? I smell a disaster. I'm gonna cut all my shirts, my husband's shirts. I'm cutting them. I'm kidding. Let me do more. So next one I'm going to be doing doesn't need any cutting. We are staying clear of scissors for now. This is such a coincidence, you guys, but I'm using another top that I got from Shein. I think the person was using a dress. I do have a dress like this in red, but I'm just focusing on tops today. I'm so afraid, guys. Yo. If I break this thing, I'm gonna cry. Yo, guys, I'm gonna break it. Okay, it's in. One way to do this top, and you saw like I'm going to just put a clip here. You can also use like your normal tank top to do this like flipping of hands, and it's still gonna look nice. Just that mine is in the wash, so been doing a whole load of laundry. You can also wear it this way, which is so cute. Oh my word, I don't think I'll ever wear this top normally again. Like I can wear it 3 different times and have it plain one side or double cross, which is so amazing. I mean, where was TikTok all my life? Hey, I look cute, man. I look friggin' cute. Okay, now I have to take it off. You know what, let me just take off my wig, because wow. I have this top. This is how the top looks. It's like your normal it's nice and silky top. And then I have this, a chain from my bag, one of my bags. So I put it around, then I'm gonna put it here over my thing, then it goes way under my arms. I'm doing a lot under my arms. And then I'm going to put these, I hope this is long enough. Okay, I'm going to put them through here. This is hard. So guys, this is how it looks, looking very cute. Then this is how it looks on the front. Obviously the top is like, the front of the top is like this, that's why it's sitting like this. So it will actually depend on the type of top you're using. But now, wait, let me try. Like, I'm trying to make my boobs sit properly, because I'm not wearing a bra or anything. I can't wear a bra with this. So here my boobs are boobying sham. Serious. But it's cute. Would recommend. Definitely recommend. Ah, I forgot. I wanted to do something with this, so I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna cut this again, but I'm gonna cut it in a shape like this, like an arc, half an arc. Yeah, an arc. Is it an arch or an arc? I don't know, but that thing, that's what I'm trying to do. Arch, because arch. Okay, now please let me know, guys, if it's arc. An arc is a different thing, isn't it? Noah's boat. English is not my mother tongue. The top part of the shirt that you chopped for the first hack, you are going to go and cut it like an arch. These tops, you can find them very expensive for such little material at shops. So I wonder if it's gonna work. Guys, I would recommend that you draw if you are not precise, or if you don't trust yourself with the scissors. Another pro tip for me, if you're gonna cut clothes or you want to draw on clothes, pencil is not easy to wash out, or pen. So use a bar soap, like a small leftover piece of soap, to draw your lines. And then when you're washing your clothes, obviously it's gonna wash out. It's gonna wash out because it's soap. Definitely gonna, I want to cut it more because I wanted to show here. Just cut the over it halfway, because that's the only way it's gonna be the top I want. Like, it has to just sit like this. See, now you have 2 tops out of 1, and they're all stylish, they're all cool, they're all on trend. Please don't go chopping up all your clothes, because these trends are passing trends. Such things are passing trends, so you don't want to now go chop all your clothes. I'm going to turn a pair of leggings into a top, into a crop top, long sleeve crop top. So here are my pair of leggings, like just simple pair of leggings. The reason why I'm cutting them is they're very see-through, so I can't gym with them, and I just don't feel comfortable. So according to the hack that you just saw, you have to cut here. Guys, me, I just trust God in my hands. I don't draw anything. But if I do need to draw, I definitely use a piece of soap. So the reason we are cutting here is to make just like that. TikTok, Bangali, TikTok. This is the only disadvantage. I'm not gonna be able to use this because the material, yagana. I don't know what you call it in English, but the material is running. But how cute! Like, these were a pair of pants a few minutes ago. No, like a few seconds ago. And all I needed was to cut, and obviously, like, if you want it closer here, you determine how much you cut. You determine how much you cut off your neck, but I like how much I cut off. And I told you I rely on God in my hand, so I didn't really measure. But yeah, this is how it looks. Approved by me. Love it. Like, what a nice way to recycle old leggings. How cute, guys. You could never say these were leggings. And then last but not least, I'm too large for this. This is literally from my top, so it was just here, so it's not long enough. So definitely use a shoelace, but this is how it's supposed to end. Thank you so much for tuning in, Slayers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.